Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will be explaining about a very important command, that is git diff. Why that we use as a developer in our daily lives while coding. Okay, but before that I just need to say you, if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe, and we have a GitHub complete videos tutorial. Okay, from basic to advanced, you can also navigate to this. Okay, and check out this playlist. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So I already opened a folder place which is not a git repository. So what I'll do, I'll open my terminal, and there I can write git init. So first of all, this repository will be initialized, and whatever command I will be writing here, it is equal for the Linux as well as the Mac. I'm using right now Windows, but the commands are same there also. You can follow with me. Okay. So git init for initialization. Then I have to write git. I'll first create. You can see right now if I'll do ls, it is showing nothing. But you can see a .git repository folder is created, which helps us to track all the git histories and all those stuffs. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll first of all create a file, touch text.txt. I've created a txt file. Then I'll open that file. Just I'll show you how git diff work. If I do write git diff and click on enter, you can see it does not give me anything because there is no changes. But here if I write something I have written here, and now if I do git diff, it is also giving me nothing. So let's add this and do some commit. I have added git add dot, then do git diff. Still it is not giving anything to me. Git commit -m. I'm creating a commit. Then I'll write commit 1 as a commit message. Then I will do some changes. Here I'll write something, but this time I will do something too. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll write git diff. Then I'll do git diff. Then click on enter. Then it is showing me something different message. Previously it was not showing because it was our first commit. Because there is nothing code in the repository. It was our first commit, so for that reason it was not showing any changes. But here what it is saying, it is saying that previously this line was there. Now these two lines are found after the last commit. Okay, after last commit this line is changed, so it is showing me that message. So now I have only done the changes. Okay, I have not added it. But if I'll add git add dot, then I will write git diff. You can see now once it is added, it is not giving me anything like any symbol that it is changed. But how then I will check the changes? So to check the changes, you have to write git diff -- staged. So it will show me the changes which is already staged, means which you already added. So one more command is also there to check the diff, git diff, and you can check the commit also. What is the commit hash? First of all, we need to find. So I will write git log -- one line, which will show me the commit message. So this what you need to write, git diff 9ce 957e. If I do enter, it will show me the changes what it's done after this commit. What are the changes have been done till now? It will show me that it is like a previous commit, but you can check as many as before commits. Okay, that also you can do. The next thing in our list is git diff head. It will show the difference, just the previous your commit last commit what you have done to the point what you have written, all the code changes what is done, that it will show git diff head. That is the work of it. And you can also check the changes between the branches and commits. Let me show that one also. I'll add this change and I'll write git commit -m. This time I'm writing commit 2. So if I do git log, see right now it is showing me 2 commit hashes. So what I can do, I'll just write git diff. This time what I'll do, I will compare 2 commits. So first of all, I'll write what commit to be compared, 9ce 957e. Then I'll give double dots. Then I have to write the second commit to whom we are comparing. If I do enter, it is showing me difference between these 2 commits. Okay. Similarly, you can also do for the branches. If I right now I am only having a master branch because I have not created any branch. Default branch is master. You can also check. So to create a branch, I'll write git branch -b, and then I'll write the branch name, maybe test. Okay. Git branch test. I've created a branch. Then I'll write git checkout test. So I switched to this my test branch, and in this test branch I'll do some changes. Let us assume here I'll write something 3. I have written. Okay. So after writing something 3, what we will do, we'll first of all clear this. So what we will do, we'll first clear our screen. The command is just clear. You can clear it. Then what I'll, so first of all I will check which branch I am right now. I'm right now in test branch. So first of all, let me add and commit those changes. So let us have a message like commit 3. Then I'll check out to my master branch. Then do git diff. You can do the diff anywhere. Okay, I'm just check outing to master to compare, but you can do it in the test branch also. So I have written what is the difference between master branch and test branch. It is saying that previously in master branch these are the things was written, and in test branch it is showing that line 3 is added. This is what about the git diff command. If this video is helpful, please like this video, subscribe the channel and share with your friend. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.